Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rotate image in a PDF file using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and I'll rotate this image. Click this home option. Here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now select image and click on this image and select, and click on this format option. Now select arrange option. Here you will find this rotate option, this 90-degree rotate clockwise. See this is counterclockwise, and this is on 80-degree. See this. Also I will rotate this image. Click on this image and select, and this is rotate option. You can rotate this image. Click right button from your mouse and select an arrange option, and this is rotate option. See this. Yeah, in this way you can rotate all of this image or a specific image in your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.